Now we're learning more about the toll the pandemic is taking on Utah's mental health. New data has given us a closer look at the connection between deaths by drug overdose and suicides during this pandemic, really during the peak of the pandemic. ABC4's Curtis Booker, he breaks down the Utah Department of Health's new state initiative that they say they hope will save lives.
The Utah Department of Health says the numbers of deaths by suicide or drug overdose in Utah remain high. However, those numbers did not jump during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to a recent report by the CDC, nationally, there was a 51% increase in suicide attempts among teenage girls between January and March of this year.
The death of just one young person by suicide is one too many.
Today, health officials unveiled the next 5-year plan to provide outreach to anyone struggling with mental health by utilizing a statewide warm line, the Save UT app, and mobile crisis response teams.
We know our friends, we know our families, we know our coworkers, and we know when something's different. And it's our responsibility to check in. Checking in can help prevent suicide.
Allison Foss of the Utah Suicide Prevention Coalition says everyone plays a role in preventing suicides and drug overdose deaths by just simply listening to what your friends and loved ones are saying, detecting key phrases that may indicate someone is considering harming themselves.
Expressing thoughts of hopelessness and just expressing that they don't feel like things are going to get better. These are indications that somebody might be having these thoughts.
Today's announcement comes just 2 days before the nationwide prescription drug take-back day, where anyone can responsibly dispose of prescription drugs. Health officials say you can detect the signs that you or someone you know is experiencing opioid overdose by a decrease in breathing, choking noises, or a fast or erratic heartbeat.
Overdose symptoms can vary depending on the type of drug a person has used.
Now, health officials also say to talk to your doctor about alternatives to opioid prescriptions. In Salt Lake City, Curtis Booker, ABC4 News.